Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best adjustable wrenches. You're new here. I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 adjustable wrenches, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Crescent 8 inches adjustable steel and black oxide wrench. With a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars on Amazon, the Crescent wrench, at 8 inches, features forged alloy steel and a black oxide finish to ensure durability and longevity. As one customer wrote, "I find this to be solid, dependable, and a lifetime investment." In addition, this wrench is very sturdy thanks to its non-slip handle, hex jaw design, and tension spring stabilizer that keeps everything tight and in place. These wrenches with their clear laser-etched markings have a wide jaw that can adjust from 1/8 to 1 inch, and they are also available in different sizes including 10 and 12 inches, allowing users to get the same good quality product for different tasks. Alloy steel and heat-treated, black oxide finish resists corrosion, polished head and regular, non-slip grip handle. Laser-etched scale provides a quick and convenient way to determine fastener size in either SAE or metric. Number 2. Navegando adjustable wrench set. With this set of chrome-plated adjustable wrenches set by Navegando, you get a 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch wrench, each of which is double-ended with an adjustable wrench on one side, and a regular wrench on the other, ranging in sizes from 10-16 mm, for all your tightening needs. These wrenches boast high quality and are all drop forged and built with heat-treated carbon steel that is chrome-plated, meaning they are durable and sure to last a while. One of the many satisfied buyers described them as very good quality wrenches for the price. They are very heavy duty. What's more, each of these adjustable wrenches features a rubber grip that is non-slip, ergonomic, and comfortable to hold. Many professionals sang these tools' praises, and the general consensus from the reviews is that buyers were pleasantly surprised about the quality and build of these wrenches, especially considering their low price. Number 3. Unveiling wide opening wrench spanner. If you're specifically searching for a chrome vanadium steel wrench, it's likely because you know of the material's reputation for being strong and durable. Although the Unveiling adjustable wrench is very sturdy, it is still lightweight at only 3.32 ounces, allowing the user more comfort when working. Its lightweight, short, 4-inch body, clearly etched markings, and convenient hanging hole make the wrench able to get into small spaces, as well as being super portable, and, according to one happy user, this is a great little tool. It fits in your pocket and has the strength for most household projects, and even some professional use. Another customer confirmed that the tool is great for awkward or small areas like under the sink, behind the toilet, and such. Lightweight, short handle, wide opening for maximum versatility. Forged chrome vanadium steel construction. Meets ANSI specification. Precision worm, more flexible, high efficiency, circular hanging hole design, easy to carry. Number 4. Engineer TWM07 adjustable wrench. The super thin jaws of the Engineer adjustable wrench measure only 2 mm, making the wrench ideal for tightening a nut, fastener, or bolt in narrower spots. One reviewer remarked, "We've all encountered situations where a regular wrench was too thick to clear a thin nut. This wrench is highly recommended if you're looking for a similar solution." Made from forged chrome vanadium steel, the tool is strong and durable despite the thinner jaws, and another customer wrote, "It is perfect for assembling soldered BNC connectors or pretty much any other application that requires a thin jaw to reach." About this item. 164 mm, 6.46 inches, long adjustable wrench. Accurately machined thin 2 mm jaws. Fits where a standard adjustable wrench won't. Maximum jaw opening, 24 mm, 0.94, jaw depth, 16 mm, 0.63. Made from tough chrome vanadium steel. Number 5. WorkPro 2-piece adjustable wrench set. To save the hassle of having to convert SAE and metric measurements on different tasks, this WorkPro set has 2 wrenches with metric/SAE markings laser etched on both sides of their jaw opening, in inches and millimeters, for precise fitting. The set includes a 6-inch wrench with a 3/4 inch jaw for smaller areas and a 10-inch wrench with a 1 1/4 inch jaw for larger tasks. Providing easy adjustment with just one hand thanks to its superior grip, these are some of the easiest to use wrenches around. In addition, the wrench's forged and heat-treated carbon steel construction makes these tools durable, And, as one customer summed it up, the quality is good for the price. The 2-piece set includes a 6-inch and a 10-inch adjustable wrench. The set would be good for basic home use, such as automotive maintenance and repair, plumbing, and general assembly tasks. Hefty and nice assortment, ideal gift for children's first tool bag. Great value for the price. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.